Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by picking the route, streaming or developer environment. If you want the actual Windows desktop experience on your TV, choose streaming. If you want to run Windows-style apps on the console, choose dev mode. Once chosen, make sure your Xbox and PC are on the same network for best performance, and install the Xbox Dev Mode app or enable Remote Desktop on Windows. Now connect a controller and keyboard to the console. You'll need input devices for the next steps. If streaming, enable Remote Desktop on Windows, confirm the PC name or IP, and open Wireless Display on Xbox or the Xbox app, then connect from the console to the PC. If you chose Dev Mode, register for a developer account, follow the Dev Mode app activation code, and reboot the console into Dev Mode. Make sure you have a wired connection or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi link. This reduces lag and avoids dropped frames. Once connected, test keyboard and mouse responsiveness immediately. To finish, start a remote desktop session or sideload UWP apps via Visual Studio or the Dev Mode web portal. Adjust the resolution to balance quality and latency. For high responsiveness, choose 1080p at 60 Hz if network is limited. Make sure audio routing and controller mapping are correct, and close heavy apps on the PC to free CPU and GPU. If something fails, restart the console and PC. Verify firewall or NAT settings, and switch to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.